Close your eyes and open them into the future. What do you see? If what you dream right now is not there, know you have squandered your present self for a greater cause. Do you ever wake up in the morning and say, next time we'll try harder, next time we'll go to class early? That next time, it never comes. Here's a little secret. There is no next time. You do it now, or you leave yourself to a time that has not yet come, a time which is not promised. Do not depend on a future that has not yet arrived. And whatever you do, you will never be able to avoid feeling regret. Everyone must proceed in this manner. Start with 0. After that, stack ladders on top of one another. A ladder constructed with care and discipline. Recognize that persistence and discipline are more effective than hard work alone in achieving your goals. A hard rock is broken when soft rivers fall on it. Break these boulders that you have made harder by holding the belief that you're not capable of doing and achieving big things. A space traveler once believed that he was not destined for greatness. Another guy who believed he was not doing anything remarkable is the one who is currently employed by an unsympathetic, selfish supervisor. So what distinguishes them? A person who has landed on the moon has repeatedly contradicted themselves. He has repeatedly resisted the strong impulse to abandon his misguided plan. Whenever this thought came, he stood up against it. What if he was the one who will construct the broom, transcend the boundaries, and make the stars his home? So what is stopping you from being that person? 2 hours of sleep, another hour at that party, another laugh among your friends. This is the price of your ultimate dream. If you can be beguiled by such trifling things, then go on and sleep all you want. But then do not wake up and complain that reality is even worse than the dream. You go and snatch success from life, or you watch a son of a billionaire snatch it. Next time when you wake up, look at your hands. Did you work hard enough to deserve a mighty present? Did your eyes burned enough midnight oil to light up your dark fate? Are your feet tired from all the work you have done yesterday? If not, redefine your life and start with one small step. That very small step will take you to your destined success. So as a final favor, I would like you to close your eyes in this New Year's and remind yourself, today will be my first step to the land of eternal glory. Rather than making resolutions for the future, know that you are more than entitled to own your dreams and turn them into reality. The world is your canvas. Paint it however you like, but do not procrastinate and leave things for tomorrow. Start small, but start today. You've got this.